Welcome to Insights with Thomas Caldwell on Thursday, July the 4th, 2024. Tom, it seems to be the year of elections all over the world. What are they telling us?
Well, it seems interesting in the Western world. A lot of our politicians have just lost the plot. They've disconnected from voters. Crises, real or imagined, are always what they're seeing distress, and it will be solved with one more government program and more spending. This disconnect shows in so many ways. The spending has resulted in massive deficits, tremendous inflation, still not solving problems, and a lot of the policies are anti-growth. You can look here in Canada, for example. A war against cars is a war against business. It's too hard to get downtown, go to dinner, go to shows type of thing. But it's pervasive. If you look at our government in Ottawa, totally disconnected. They're on another planet. And people have had enough. People are starting to realize that there's something wrong here. And that goes in Europe as well. You're seeing more centralist. But if you go away from left, you're always considered right-wing, extreme right-wing. It's not. It's normal. Government by grown-ups. And I think that's what people are really saying. You're certainly seeing in this fiasco in the United States, but you're also seeing it in Europe with basically a government there that should have done a good job and did a terrible job for 5 prime ministers. So there's changes happening that I think the electorate, people are realizing these politicians and their short-term spending and their ideas that they want to force on everybody else, everything from, climate change has gone way from science into the political realm now, and carbon taxes, all these things, enough already. So I think that's what you're seeing.
So what do you think that means for the markets then?
Well, as you know, I'm an optimist, and I think it really reflects a certain cyclicality. It's interesting how progressives are not progressive, they're regressives. The people are saying, wait a second, some of these programs are really quite nuts. They're immature. We need government by grown-ups. And to really solve problems in the world, you need economic growth. People want jobs. They want to be able to save a little bit of money, provide for their kids, education, maybe take a holiday. Governments aren't thinking about that. They say, they're trying to pit the rich and the poor, and all these policies for, quote, the poor. They're not really helping the poor at all. There should be basically two groups, those working and those not working. And those not working should be divided into those who can't work and those who won't work. And if you work on your policies there to help people who are trying to get ahead, trying to build an economy, trying to build their lives, that's a better basis for policies. And that's one of the things we are not seeing. So I think even a movement in that direction will be positive for markets because it speaks to economic growth, jobs, innovation. I think it can be positive. I think it's a cyclicality, but I think maybe that might be my optimism too.
Yeah, thanks for your insights, Tom.
Okay.
And thank you all for watching. Bye for now.